We are back with more BMW iDrive challenges. Let's see. How to enjoy the perfect cinema experience.
Easy.
So excited, I love watching movies. First things first, let's set the mood. Hey BMW, change to expressive mode.
With pleasure, I will activate the expressive mode.
Wow, this is a great warm-up for movie night.
Speaking of warm, hey BMW, cool down the temperature.
I will reduce the temperature. It will be more comfortable shortly.
Are you team nachos or are you team popcorn?
Popcorn, of course, but sweet.
You know what I love most about my favorite cinema?
Just a guess. The super comfy seats and the great sound.
You know me so well. Shall we? This is simply the best cinema ever.
I know. I've been really looking forward to this one. Challenge complete.